Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today's our topic how to use fillet command in Autodesk Inventor. So firstly select a plane and draw a 2D sketch. We draw a rectangle and now dimension and now extrude 10 millimeter. Okay. Now go to fillet. In fillet command we have three options. First is edge fillet and face fillet and full round fillet. Okay, so we try one by one. First is edge fillet. Select the edge and here we can give the dimension 5 millimeter. Okay, so this is our first type of fillet. Second is in fillet option we have three more options: constant, variable and setback. Constant we just try, and variable, let's select a face. Start is 5 millimeter and go to end if we want a fillet with multiple radius. So you can see this is our 2 millimeter radius and this is our 5 millimeter radius. Okay, again take a fillet. Now second is face fillet. Select face 1 and face 2 and this is our radius. Okay, we can change it 2 millimeter. Okay, next go to fillet and full round face. First face, second face and third face. So this is our full face, full round fillet. Okay, so this is our fillet command.